Hi guys, it's fast tutorial. You wanna create some counters? Just follow my steps. Open After Effects. Create new composition. I'm fine with the settings, so I just rename it. Right click on your timeline to create new text and type whatever you want. Then go to Effects and Presets, find slider control and drop it on our text layer. Open its settings. Click and hold source text sweep and move it to slider. Now we get numbers, but it's not done yet. Add keyframes to slider control. I use 0 at 0 and 1995 seconds. Oh, I don't even remember the fourth number of p. Let's just correct the text expression. Just add at the end of it .value. Oh, I'm not Russian. .value.ToFixed. The number in brackets means the number of numbers. 0 is nothing, so let's just take 2. If you want to make money counter, simply add any currency symbol at the beginning. If you want a person counter, add person symbol in the end. My math teacher would definitely kill me.